Hello everyone, here is a recipe of millet dosa. Millet dosa is a nutritious and delicious South Indian pancake made from various types of millet. Here's a basic recipe for making millet dosa using foxtail millet. You can also use other millets like pearl millet, that is bajra, finger millet, that is ragi, or little millet to make dosas. Ingredients: 1 cup foxtail millet, 1/4 cup urad dal, that is black gram dal, 1/4 cup rice, that is optional for crispiness, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, that is methi seeds, salt to taste, water for soaking and grinding, oil or ghee for cooking. Instructions. Number 1. Wash the foxtail millet, urad dal, rice if using, and fenugreek seeds thoroughly. Then soak them together in enough water for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Number 2. After soaking, drain the water and transfer the soaked ingredients to a blender or wet grinder. Add a little water and start grinding. You may need to add more water gradually to get a smooth and thick batter. The batter should be of pouring consistency but not too runny. Number 3. Add salt to the batter and mix well. Remember that the dosa batter needs less salt than regular dishes as it ferments. Number 4. Allow the batter to ferment. Fermentation time can vary depending on the weather, but it usually takes around 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Keep the batter in a warm place or an oven with the light turned on to aid the fermentation process. Number 5. Once the batter has fermented, it will have risen and become slightly airy. Gently mix the batter. Number 6. Heat a non-stick dosa tawa, that is griddle, over medium-high heat. You can also use a cast iron skillet or any non-stick pan for this purpose. Sprinkle a few drops of water on the pan's surface, and if it sizzles and evaporates immediately, the pan is ready for making dosas. Number 7. Pour a ladleful of the dosa batter onto the center of the hot tawa. Quickly spread it in a circular motion from the center outward to form a thin dosa. Number 8. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges of the dosa and in the center. Cook until the edges start to turn golden brown and the dosa appears crisp. You can cover it with a lid to ensure it cooks evenly. Number 9. Once the dosa is golden brown and crisp, carefully lift it with a spatula and fold it in half or roll it if you prefer. Number 10. Serve the millet dosa hot with coconut chutney, sambar, or any other side dish of your choice. Repeat the process with the remaining batter to make more dosas. Millet dosas are not only healthy but also gluten free and can be enjoyed by those who are sensitive to wheat. You can also add chopped onions, green chilies, or other ingredients to the batter to make variations of millet dosas. Enjoy your homemade millet dosas. Thank you.